Up everybody and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to play duck chain for airdrop. For that, the process is very simple. All you have to do is to go to the Telegram application. If you don't have the Telegram application, no worries. You can go to Play Store and download the application. Once you have already downloaded the application, all you have to do is to go and open it up. Once you open up the Telegram application, you will see this interface over here. So once you are in this interface, all you have to do is to search duck chain. So once you do it, you will see the duck chain on the top of the list. It says 2.6 million followers. So it's a huge game and it's the official channel. So just tap on it and you will be redirected to the channel. So here all you have to do is to tap on join for duck. Once you do it, it will open up the game. So wait till the game now open up, and once the game will open up, you will be able to play it for the uh, airdrop. So there are some quests and other stuff that you need to follow in order to eligible for the airdrop criteria. So I will be providing the affiliate link to the Telegram Chain Telegram channel, from which you will be easily able to play the game. So I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.